Okay, tell me who is this for?
For Grandma and Gramps.
Okay, now show me the picture. And what are they?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Who are these things here?
Those are Grandma and Gramps.
Yeah? Is that what the bee is?
Yeah. This is Mommy. This is a light. This is a thunder. This is a lightning.
Oh, thunder and lightning. Okay. Okay, we'll send it to them in the mail.
And Mommy, this is a meerkat.
That's a meerkat with Grandma Bee and Gramps?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Do you want to say anything to them? No? What do you want to say, Tyler?
I love you.
Oh, that's very sweet. What about you, buddy?
I see it.
You want to see it? Okay.
I see Elevator's picture.
See, there's nothing there now.